everyone.
Good morning.
Sorry, first and foremost, apologies for customers that booked a slot of 10 and we are still 20 minutes late. I guess it's good, right? Sorry for that. We'll just take another 10-15 minutes and then probably you can witness the car, okay? So, it's a high time today, as they all say, and this product was all nationally unveiled on 1st of July, as you all know, nationally, right? And today we are here to witness another feather in our cap, which is going to be the success story for Toyota going forward. Am I audible to all? Yes. So while we work on that,
That's better. Okay, once again, formally, a very good morning to everyone. Thank you so much for coming here and taking your time out, especially to our customers, even to our colleagues who have come from the other locations, in spite of heavy rains, orange alerts given by the monsoon forecast weathers. So thank you so much for making up us this morning. We at Toyota are guided by a very strong commitment of building a sustainable community and living in harmony with nature. We stay committed to take our measures to ensure that we reduce the carbon emissions. You all must be wondering, we're talking about a new car launch, why are we talking about carbon emissions, right? Because what we're going to see today is the technology which will guide us and tell us why it is important to have a car like this in this segment and why we call it as a hybrid car. While we do that, it is a collective effort for all of us to ensure that we build a cleaner and a greener environment and stay committed to build and have a vision for a carbon neutral society and yes, fossil fuel free nation, which is the demand of the year. Here, we will be unveiling a very special product today. And while we unveil this, let me tell you that in the current electrified mobility segment, we already have the Toyota Camry, the Toyota Wellfire, and obviously the Lexus range of cars, which are all hybrid fuel technology. We would have another feather in the cap today with the mass segment. You would have read the newspaper today, the B segment, the PSUV segment, which is guzzling across India, and which is the demand for every customer, the new SUV trend. Here we are, and we are the first time to get this car for you. But before we get into the unveiling of this car, let me tell you a small experience about myself. Well, I have been here in Toyota for the last 17 years, from 2005. Initially driving the Land Cruiser 200. You all know what the car is all about. It's a 4.5 liter diesel guzzler. And yes, it's a thrill to drive that car. But since last 8 years to be precise, I have been driving the hybrid-driven technologies, which is primarily the Camry and the Wellfire of late. And yes, when I first got onto the steering of the hybrid cars, like you all, I also had a myth. After driving a 4.5 liter Land Cruiser and cruising in the deserts, I mean so-called deserts in the Mumbai area, wow, the feeling when I go onto a hybrid-driven car, which is a 2.5 liter engine. But like as I said, it was a myth which got cleared for me. I'm sure you all will witness the technology today, and you will see that yes, when we talk about power, hybrid is no less than any other diesel car. I myself is a very passionate lover of drive, and I feel very proud in saying that after driving the Wellfire and the Camry, I'm very much excited to get onto the wheels of this car and to see how it takes us to the road journey. So before I unveil that, let me tell you one more small thing. While we are still witnessing the launch here in Lakosi Toyota, we have already crossed a huge number of bookings. Thank you to all, and thank you everyone for this conversation. I will not take much time, will not come in the way of the car because it's one of the marvelous things that we will witness today. So, leaving the stage to Nadeem Sam to get us the car and wheel, and then yes, please have a look and feel of the car, and any questions, my team is there to help you out with that. Thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you so much, Amar sir, for setting the hybrid context beautifully.
So hope everyone is clear what is hybrid all about. Definitely we will be having a demonstration, and now without wasting much time, let us unveil the all new Toyota Urban Cruiser Hyryder. So are we all ready? Yes. So I request all the guests who have come, please come forward for the unveiling of the vehicle. I request Sujit sir, please come in. Amar sir, Naushad sir, please.
Who is the one who wants to feel the high? Do I like to turn it up? Or do I like to turn it down?
So we will unveil the vehicle in the countdown of 3. So I request you all to please count the countdown along with me. And sir, once the 3 is done, you have to just pull this clock. So I request Vinay sir to please go into this. So are you all ready? Yes. So let us count the countdown. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, after 3 years in 2010, Camry Hybrid in 2014, again Welfare in 2020, presenting you 2022, the all-new Toyota's Urban Cruiser Hyryder. So are we all excited? Yes. So let us start the demonstration. After demonstration, I will request you all to please come ahead and have a look at the car. So before I start the demonstration, let me put the hybrid thing in a very simple words in front of you. So we all are curious, what is hybrid? So hybrid is a simple maths. Hybrid is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. That is what hybrid all about. There is not one but 2 power sources which drives your Hyryder. So again, when I say 2 power sources, there is a petrol engine as well as there is an electronic motor which is run by a hybrid battery. So now when there are 2 power sources working in harmony together, so it saves a lot of fuel for you. So as 1 plus 1, 2 is bigger in your pocket, the hybrid will also save a lot of money for you which you are investing in the fuel. So let us start the demonstration. In hybrid, 60% of time the vehicle will work on pure electric. 60% of time it will work on pure electric. So whenever the vehicle is running on electric, there is absolutely not even a single drop of fuel which is used. And because engine is not running at that particular time, there is again absolutely no vibration which is entered inside the cabin. So vehicle is very fuel efficient. It is greener for the environment because we are not burning any of the fuel. At the same time, it is also very comfortable. Now, we started selling hybrid in 1997. In which year? 1997. And today, after 25 years of our hybrid history, the hybrid technology is into its 4th generation, which means 4 types of re-engineering and 4 times it is a better product which was launched in 1997. And in each generation, the technology is improved to give a very good performance in terms of fuel efficiency, in terms of power, and it is also helping us to save the environment. And this is our commitment, as Amar San rightly mentioned, towards the society. So again, coming back to the numbers, we have already delivered 20 million hybrid vehicles globally. How much? 20 million. Which is 2 crore hybrid vehicles we have already delivered. So be rest assured, this is a proven technology and it can take you anywhere you want to go. We are selling hybrid cars in over 140 countries. How many countries? 140. So it is suitable for each and every type of climatic situation and geographical scenarios, and we have total 44 types of body style in hybrid internationally. So isn't the technology amazing? Yes. Can you say a wow for the technology? Wow! Thank you so much. So let us start the demonstration. The vehicle is very aerodynamically designed. If you see, the windshield is huge, it is wide. It will be giving you a very good visibility so that you can drive the vehicle with a lot of confidence and you can drive it safe. So coming to the DRLs, it is having dual LED DRLs along with an LED projector headlamp. The combination of both will be giving you very good visibility even at a bad weather condition. So if you look at the uniquely designed grille along with the chrome and acrylic accent, the vehicle is having all the taste, international taste, which all the other SUVs of Toyotas is having globally. So it is giving a sense of belongingness to the strong SUV family of Toyota. The grille is also lower grille, trapezoidally designed, which is again adding a lots and lots of presence to the vehicle in the road. So coming to the side of the vehicle, the alloy wheels are nicely designed in dual tone. They are sleek and as well as dynamically designed. When you look at the car from the side also, it is a huge car. It is not a small car, which means it will offer you a lot of space inside the cabin. It is an SUV and hence it is having a very good ground clearance wherein you can drive the vehicle even at bad terrain very easily and comfortably. When you look at the roof, it is having the panoramic sunroof. कौन सा sunroof है? So we all were asking for it for years and now it is available in the Toyota's Urban Cruiser Highlander. When we move to the rear, the vehicle is having a sportily designed spoiler. The tail lamp in the rear is also full LED, hence ensuring a very good visibility even for the trailing traffic. You can have the look at the car from the rear as well. It is having a nicely designed grey color skid plate in the rear bumper as well. When it comes to the safety, we all know that Toyota never compromises on safety. The body structure is designed in such a way that all the passengers sitting inside the cabin are safe. The vehicle is having 6 SRS airbags, which again ensures safety for each and everyone who is sitting inside the cabin. Again, the vehicle gets all the braking features like ABS, EBD, vehicle stability control, hill hold assist control. All these features are available in the car. Coming to the interior of the vehicle is again very luxuriously done. It comes with a dual tone interior. When it comes to exterior, there are total. Sorry, चाबी से अंदर. Exterior colors, 7 in monotone and 4 in dual tone exterior. When it comes to interior, the interior is having dual tone combination. So again, when it comes to interior, the Neo Drive variant will get full black interior and the hybrid variant will get a brown as well as black dual tone interior option. When it comes to engine, it is having 2 engines available, a Neo Drive engine as well as a hybrid engine. So now I am requesting you all to please come forward and have a look at your Hyryder. Please come and have a look first hand of the car. Thank you so much.